Hello, this is CuteBabyAntReviews, and today we're reviewing the Toddler Boys Briefs, the DC Justice League from Handcraft print, in 2T and 3T. Okay, these are briefs. And you can see the tag on the back. It says waist 20.5 inches, and the weight is 27 to 34 pounds. Okay, so that's 100% comb cotton and is machine washable. Okay, so let's open it up. Spider-Man, Batman, and Flash. Okay. So Flash has a pretty stretchy elastic and a reinforced trim on the leg openings, and I'd just eyeballing it about maybe 1.5 inches or more on the front opening. It's a real opening. It's the back. Okay. Inside appears tagless and they're pretty soft. Right here you can feel the stitching slightly. Okay. That's Flash. This one, and the Flash is red with yellow trim. Okay, Superman is blue with red trim, front and back. And here's the Batman, which is black with gray trim, front and back. Okay, so once again, that was the Justice League Toddler Boys Briefs in size 2T, 3T from Handcraft, DC. Okay, so ta-ta for now.